Welcome to all for ABVK group of institution. Today we are going to learn about that grade 1 subject social science lesson number 12, our classroom. Dear children, in the last class means previous class we are learned about our school. Yes or no? So you learned that what is your name of the school and which class you are studying, where you are, why you want to go for school, and where you will play, and where you will sit and read the class. These are the things you will ready studied in the last class. But today we are going to learn about that lesson number 12, our classroom. So children, tell me, where do you study in the school? Yes, you all are studying in the classroom. All are studying in the classroom. Yes, very good. Next, which class you are studying? Yes, you are all are studying in first standard. And what are the things that you do in your classroom? Children, you will do many work in the classroom. So yes or no, you are studying, reading, writing, drawing, playing, and chatting with your friends, and many more work you will do in the classroom. Yes or no? So today's class, we will learn what is a classroom. The place where you will study in the school, no, that is known as a classroom. What do you mean by classroom? The place where you will study in the school is known as a classroom. Do you know what is classroom? Yes or no, children? What do you mean by classroom? A place where you will study in school, it is known as a classroom. And which class do you study? First standard. Yes or no? We study in classroom in our school. You people all are studying in the classroom in your school only. A classroom has a blackboard. Yes or no? The classroom means must and should we have the blackboard. Yes or no? Without blackboard, we can't teach in the class. But a classroom has a blackboard on which teacher write with the chalk. What the teacher will do? Teacher will use the chalk to write the letters and explaining the lessons and all. The teacher is in the classroom, teach the children. Who will teach in the school? The class teacher, teachers will teach in the school. Yes or no, children? Who will teach in the school? The teacher will teach in the school. And the teacher face, see, the teacher faces the children while teaching. Yes or no? What the teacher will do? The teacher will faces the children while teaching. Yes or no? She will observe for each and every children how they are listening, what they are doing. If they are not concentrate, she will ask the children to concentrate, and she will ask the questions for the children also. Yes or no? Like that, ma'am will teach. Take the classes. He or she. Yes or no? Who will take the class? He means sir, she means ma'am. Usually has a big table. Who has the big table? She teacher has a big table. Why? Because she want to complete their work and to sit. Yes or no? She or he has a big table or chair to sit on that classroom. Yes or no? See, this is known as a madam's chair and table. So now some parts will be there. Can you see that? What is this? Window. Very good. This is chart, and this is known as a blackboard, and this is known as a door, and teacher's cupboard. What is this? This is known as a teacher's cupboard, and this is dustbin, and chairs for the student. What is this, children? This is known for the chairs for the students. And this is, what is this? This is known as a desk. Do children want to keep the books and all? No, so that's why they are keeping the desk. And this is known as a teacher's table and teacher's chair and blackboard. These are the things will be there in your classroom. While you are enter the classroom, please observe these are the things will be there or not in your school. Okay. Next, there are the chair for the children to sit and table for them to keep their books. Yes or no, children? They have the chairs to sit and they have the table to keep their books and all. Keep the books and write them. The children's chair and table keep it neatly in the row. Always the chairs and tables we have to keep in the neatly in the row. Yes or no? When you're going to school, your chairs and tables always should be neat and in the rows. Yes or no? There are many charts on the wall or board. You can see when you are enter the classroom, you can see many charts will be there hanging on the walls. Yes or no? For example, number chart, alphabets, Kannada Kagunita, and any vehicles, transport, and birds, animal. These are the things will be hanging on the class. Why? Because these chat teach us many things. Yes or no? The chats will teach us many things. And this is the cupboard, children. Before only I told what is this? This is known as a cupboard. Okay, there is a cupboard for the teachers to keep the things. There is a cupboard for the teachers to keep their things. Whatever things will be there, the madam will keep use the this cupboard. Yes or no? Next, we have a dustbin. Before only I told for the classroom. We have a classroom means the must and should dustbin want to keep. Otherwise, what the children will do? They will use the pencil shaving, papers, peels, and pencil shaving. All those things they will wear. They will keep. They will keep on the geometry box, or they will keep on the bag, or pocket, or on the floor. So that's why the school has to. The classroom must and should want to keep for the dustbin. If it is there, the dustbin you have to keep in everything whatever will be there like dust things and all you have to keep in the dustbin. Yes or no? Waste things and all you can keep it in the dustbin. So then you have to keep in your classroom very neatly. Yes or no, children? Next, a good classroom has a door and window let in air and sunlight. Wherever you go, a good classroom has a doors and windows. Why? Because the we want fresh air. Yes or no? Children need a fresh air. Each and everyone, not only children, everyone need fresh air. If the window or door will be not there, means you will not get the fresh air. So that's why the always a good classroom has a windows and doors. It will allow the air inside the classroom and also sunlight. So for example, if it is not there electric and all means we will directly we can use to sunlight, but it is very interior or we cannot get the sunlight and all means we are unfortunately we want to use the electric bulbs and all. Yes or no, children? Next, we should keep our classroom neat and clean. How should we keep our classroom? We should keep our classroom neat and clean. How? Because we should not throw any dust and dust things and waste things and on the floor. Always we should use the dustbin. Then only we should keep our classroom very neat and good. Yes or no? But did you know, children, for the olden days there was no classroom? Yes or no? Olden days there is no classrooms and all. Where they will go then? People always they're you going to the they often used to study under the trees and all. So where the tree will be that there only the teacher will come and they will sit and they will teach for the children. This is known as a gurukul system. This is known about the classroom, children. What do you mean by classroom and what are the parts will be there in the classroom and how should we keep in our classroom? What is the uses of the classroom? These are the things we are learned in this class. I think everyone are understood. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.